Good morning, Astrolifers. How are you? So, yes, everybody must be very excited because finally Mercury is moving forwards and finally we are getting into the best time of 2019. So, I'm not sure about you guys, how excited you are, but I've been waiting for it. It's almost like, a little girl waiting for Christmas, type of thing. First, I've been waiting for it, obviously, to be better for me, but also a lot for you guys, because there's been a lot of suffering, there's been a lot of people who are struggling, and I just wanted it to stop. It was like, the other day I did post it, I did say, how is everyone coping? And you can see in the comments how it went. It was just excruciating for a lot of people, people really wondering what was going on, the money not flowing in, people having so many problems of health. You have to remember we also had Jupiter in the same time. So Mercury, it's all about the thinking, moving forwards, the ideas, the contracts, the money. But you also had Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion. So that planet, yes, is only going to be starting moving on to the 11th of August. But still, now we've got everything that is starting to lift. We've got a lot of aspects that are Mars and Venus that are in Leo, with that beautiful new moon that is in fact the starting point. So we can really say that from today we've got those stars, we've got that element, we've got that energy, we've got the universe that wants us to start making money. So don't be surprised if a lot of things are actually unfolding. There's some excellent days next week, even before we have Jupiter that is moving forwards. We're already going to have some really interesting days with awesome aspects. And obviously today you can celebrate and saying, okay, you've been through the worst of the year, it's all gone, trust me on that one. Even if we do have one more retrograde, Mercury retrograde is 3 times a year for 3 weeks, but it is going to be just really a little finishing things, like kind of details that are going to be finished into November, and that will be all, and it's just going to be like the last time to rest before we get into again one of the best times of 2019, which is going to be during Christmas. From the 5th, in fact, from the 5th of December. And that period of time is going to be amazing, even until Christmas, simply because we are going to be in that time with the Sagittarius, where Jupiter is for the moment. And then it will be shifting around the second. So we still have the leftovers. I know it's going to be moving on to the second to Capricorn, but because all the frequency of this year has been there, we will still have how we call that the payoff from what has been planted and done this year. So it will still be very positive, and then we will be going into on the second into Capricorn. Jupiter will be going there, but also we have some glittering aspects that will be around the 27th between Christmas and New Year's Eve. So I already know that time is going to be absolutely awesome. And if you want to launch some products during that time, or if you want to go on holidays or do anything that is really nice for you guys during that Christmas period of time, between Christmas and New Year's Eve, just do it. It's going to be awesome. Or launch some products, or launch some stuff that could be coming out during that time. If you want to be making a lot of money, it would be a very, very awesome time. So today I'm really excited, and that I've been waiting for a long time to do that video. I knew it was not the right time to do it, so and I'm not going to reveal it all today, because obviously I live by the stars and what I say. And I'm just going to obviously launch my product onto the 11th like anyone else when Jupiter is going to be moving forwards. But I'm going to tell you a few things that are going to be changing. First, I'm not going to be doing the readings the way I've been doing them. I'm still accepting them this year, don't get me wrong. I do have a waiting list already, and I've got some readings that I've booked until November. So sometimes I do have some spots in between because there is someone that cancels and things like that. But between my retreats, and I've got 3 of them coming up. And between my retreats and my workshops and things that I'm doing, obviously I can only take that many people per day, and that is exactly where I'm going towards to. I can only take that many people per day, and that was actually my issue, is that in fact by doing the one-on-ones the way I've been doing them, I was actually limiting myself. I was limiting the way I could help you guys, and that was actually bothering me. There was a lot of things that were bothering me in the way I was working, and I knew I had to step it up at one stage, and I'm going to a little bit explain what it means. So yeah, I was not helping. I did some notes because I just wanted to make sure that I will be clear on everything that I wanted to talk about. So yeah, I was not helping as many people as I could. The second thing that was bothering me is that I was not getting as much as the results that I wanted to have with my clients. Don't get me wrong, I know it has been saving many lives. I know that I've helped to solve some relationship problems, some business problems, you know, you name it. I think now I've got it as testimonials or an example, or if you have any kind of issues, I can tell you, well, just check with that person, and that is the result that these people have had. So now I've got all the testimonials that are needed for any kind of problems. I can always refer you to a client of mine which has had that problems in particular solved, whatever it is, that it is you know, changing their business, making it more profitable, buying a house, selling a house, making more money, whatever that is. I've been able to prove that astrology was working. That's also one of the reasons why I was giving you the weekly updates for free, and that will keep on going. By the way, there's even more goodies coming, and that I will talk about it today. So yes, no problems there. That is going to keep on going, and I'm going to let that happen just to make sure that you understand that it is working. But I wanted to be more precise. I wanted to actually have a better result with my clients and making sure that I will get the results. And I started to look around those last 6 months. I think I'm running out of battery, so I'm just slowly going to be walking back to the car while I'm talking, just to make sure it doesn't cut off the video. I took a walk this morning, and I am in this beautiful park. As I walk back, I'm just going to show you. It's just very, very nice place in the morning at the Botanic Garden. Just so peaceful. That was a little place where I was talking to you guys, and I like to come in the mornings as soon as I've dropped off the kids. I try to take a walk or do a meditation or things like that, just to make sure it refills my energy. It's just a matter of lifting myself high into the light, because obviously, as you probably already know, I am not only an astrologist, but I'm also psychic, and that comes with my clients or not my clients. Sometimes I get messages for whoever comes in, and that actually, I'm going to be talking about that while I'm walking actually. That is the next thing I'm going to be doing. I'm actually going to, on Thursday nights, on question days, I'm actually going to be open to anyone that wants to ask a question. So on Thursday nights, I'm going to do it around 6 p.m. Every Thursday night, I'm actually going to be answering people's questions. So from now on, you can actually tell your friends, look, if you want a question answered, just jump in that group. Just tell them to join the group, and I will answer around 6 p.m. Obviously, if they are not my clients, I need to have the date of birth, so at least I can do it. I don't need to calculate, I can do it by head. So, and if I do want to calculate, I will look. But I can, just by knowing the date of birth, I've got enough knowledge to be able to answer to the question. And if we need to go deeper, in that case, I can always do it later. But yes, so as far as the readings are concerned, I was realizing that I didn't have enough time. Just simply because when I do readings, I need to prepare them. So I need to work many, many hours because I calculate everything. And I like when things are really precise. I don't like saying something that is not going to be right simply because you are influencing someone's life, and it is a great responsibility. So that is one of the reasons why I didn't want to do astrology as a professional with people. I was okay in a team with other big astrologists working under politicians or doing things like that. But when you are starting to influence people and when you are starting to give directions or do things like that, you better know what you're talking about. This is why I created those readings on 7 supports, making sure that whatever the problem was, I could actually answer it. So, but that takes time, and that was really minimum, taking 10 hours of my time to be able to do those readings, and then after that delivering them like you've had lately, about 4 hours of delivering it, making sure I've said everything and all that. So that was taking a lot of time. And at one stage, I was not really happy because first I was not helping as many people. And even though each time it was getting great results, but I was not happy because I couldn't help as many people as I wanted. And also I was limited with the time. So that was taking its toll on my life, on my health, because I was behind my computer all the time, working and doing all those calculations, and then after that being with you guys, doing the reading. But then also I was not present enough in my personal life, so my kids were suffering, were falling sick, were like, hang on, we need you for this and that. So there was a lot of things that were a little bit out of whack into my life. And I was also thinking, hang on, I'm not getting the results with my clients the way I want to get them. Yeah, of course, if I was saying to someone, be careful of that problem, and and warning them, for surgeries or problems that I could have or relationship and all that, I was really happy with that. But I was not able to completely change their lives. I would do the reading, and then after that, it's up to people's hands. It was in their hands, making it change or changing their career or following their purpose and doing what they needed to do. They will keep on asking me questions. I get questions every day, but I was not literally taking one person to one place and making their lives changed. So what I have done behind the scenes for the last 6 months is that I've been studying a lot of how I could help people to actually make that change, own their house, make the money, be able to travel around the world, be able to be free, and not just a program saying, oh, I'm talking about it, or I'm going to teach you this and that, but actually physically taking the people from that point and making sure I'm taking them to another level and changing their lives so they can have, that freedom of traveling the world, having their house paid off, having the money coming in, and making sure that they're not struggling anymore. Because you have to remember that we are changing. The times are changing, the world is changing, the way of making money is changing. So I had to find a way to make sure that I was going to be able to help those people. So these are going to be the new way I'm going to be working. So obviously all that is going to be launched on the 11th. I'm not going to talk any more about it, but if you are interested, and it's not going to cost 20,000, it's not even going to cost 10,000 like a lot of people I see, a lot of programs. I'm going to be a lot less expensive. I'm going to take only 10 people to start with. They are going to be my first clients, and that's why it's going to be so approachable, the price, because like my readings, I want things to be done in a serious way, and I want results. I mean, that's why at the beginning I was so cheap with my readings. People were like, oh my God, you give so much. All my mentors, everyone has been saying, oh my God, even my clients, you give so much in your readings. Why do you only charge what you charge? And after with the follow-up and looking after us and sending us the monthly updates, why do you give so much? Obviously, I think you have all understood that I'm not just doing it for money, my job and my work, that it is a purpose. And I just want that to be completely crystal clear. I do make money by doing some other things in business. I do have my house paid off. I do retreats around the world. I always have clients coming in, even without advertising. I start the Monday morning, I've got already 3 readings. By the time I wake up, they're already lining up, okay? So, but that's because I love my job and because I love looking after people. It goes beyond just a job. It is a purpose. I want to change that planet. I want to change people's lives. I want to make that world a better world for the next generation, for my children, and for other children coming up as well. And that's my purpose. And that's why I always do things so well as much as I can. And yeah, that obviously was also taking its toll somewhere along the line, because yeah, I like doing things well, and that obviously was sometimes being a problem, you know, because of the amount of work I would put in. And that was also why I was not working enough, looking after my health. And again, now we go back to what I was saying at the beginning, looking after my family enough, even though my kids are very understanding. They are rainbow children, so they're very spiritual and very beautiful souls, but you know, you need to have also a certain amount of time. And so I'm going to get that program out that is going to be launched, and you will see all the content and what I'm talking about on the 11th. If you are interested, you just say, hey, hi, I will study who I am taking, and I will take the people that need it the most. Now that program is going to be reachable from young people to old people who are retired, okay? There's no limits. It will be helping you to make money with the tools of 2020s, because obviously the world has evolved and changed very quickly and will change very quickly. This is why also it needed to come out, because the world of the way we know it is not going to be the same. There's big changes coming up next year with the system, with the laws, with there's a word for that, the institutions. Things are actually changing, even with the way we live, the education and the jobs, and new ways of making money and evolving. So it's going to be linked with that. And I will start in August, only taking 10 people to start with, and then I will show you that they do get the results, because I want you to be able to see that those 10 people their lives will be changed. Like physically, literally change, not saying, oh, you know, it will be like that. No, I will literally take their hands and make sure they get the results, and making sure that everything is changed with that. So the other thing that I'm also going to be doing is going to be accepting a lot of one-to-many. So I'm accepting now to share a lot more meetups and workshops. I've accepted to go on TV. I've accepted to do finally those TV shows. I've been asked in the States, I've been asked in Adelaide, I've been asked in Noumea, here on the radios and stuff like that, a lot of things. And I always thought, no, I need to be ready, it needs to be the right time. And obviously that is going to be the next way for me to be able to step it up and to be able to at least make all those people understand how astrology works, the way the elements works, how they can be in sync and everything. Now, I'm not going to say that I won't ever do any readings. If someone says, look, Muriel, I really have that problem. And also one thing that I just wanted to make sure, I had that comment this morning just before I started the video. I had one of my clients said, oh my God, you're stopping. What about if I need a second reading because I've already had one with you? My clients that have been there, I will always look after you. That was part of the deal. I'm extremely serious about that. When I said I will keep on looking after you into the future, whoever has had a reading with me this year as well, because I'm already fully booked. As I was saying, not fully. There's always a bit of cancellation and things like that. Sorry, the fresh air has been making my nose leak a little bit. But yes, there's always a bit of space and stuff like that. And if there are emergencies, I always find a time to put people in between. But the people that will have had a full reading with me, it is part of the thing that, you know, I've been looking after you. And I'm not going to say, oh, suddenly I'm not looking after you. No, that's not going to happen. No, that's not the way I roll. That's not my personality. If I said I will look after you in the future, it's part of the contract. I will always be there. So no problems for that. And yes, so I have accepted to go on to the one-to-many, and knowing that in that case I will be able to show people that astrology works, and of course they will be able to join our group, and they will be able to see the weekly updates, see that it is working. They will be able to ask those questions on question day on Thursday. I'm going to change it now. I'm actually going to do live readings. So you will be able to just jump in and say, hey, this is my date of birth. I've got a question. Obviously, I will not be able to take everyone, but I will take randomly some person, and I will do that for maybe about an hour or something like that. And I will just take you guys and just answer whatever question. So you can tell all your friends to join. It will be done live, and I will be able to do that. So that's kind of it for what I'm going to announce today, because the rest will already the rest will be later on. And just one last thing that I wanted to say is that the weekly videos that I'm doing on the Sunday, Monday, or the latest Tuesday, but that too, because I'm going to slow down a bit on the reading, I will be able to be more on time and doing in a more organized way, because that was also a problem in my life so much. It was hard to organize myself. It was really hard to be able to find the right balance in all that for me. And now I'm going to have to organize myself a little bit more and ground myself a little bit more as far as that is concerned. So yes, my weekly video are going to be onto my personal profile. Simply, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this Monday, because we are still the 5th, so I prefer to start after on the 12th. So I'll be in Nouméa actually. Yes, I'll be in Nouméa when I start this because I'm going to New Caledonia for 1 week to do an event, and also to go on that TV show. So yes, from the 12th I will be doing the videos onto my personal profile, simply because I've got more followers on that one. I think I've got about 4,000, which on my group I only have, I think, 2 plus the other groups maybe I'm not sure how many there are now, but I know I've got more onto my personal profile, so the videos will be there from now on. And so if you are not on my personal profile, just ask to be friends with me. And I know it's limited to 5, so once I will reach the 5,000, in that case I will go back to the group. But for the moment, that's where I've got the most people, so I'm going to try to do it wherever it is the biggest, and in that case I can reach more people and helping more people as well. So whatever is the biggest, that's where I will be doing the videos. But if I do change again to go on my group, for example, on my page, in that case I will let you guys know, and then it will be easy to follow. Look, the stars are awesome today. We cannot do better than that new moon. It is something to celebrate. I want you guys to celebrate. Some people have been saying, what am I going to celebrate? Just the fact that we've got those stars now. Just the fact that we are going through that Leo portal. Just the fact that you've made it through. And I really say that because, you know, some people didn't, unfortunately. Some people got really, really sick because it was too much. There were too many retrogrades. We had up to 6 at one stage with the shadow. So some people felt really, really ill. Some people had really massive surgeries. Some people lost loved ones. Some people had a lot of struggle. So look, if you are here, that everything is fine, or that you want now your life to be good, you know, celebrate, put yourself into that state of mind. That was also something actually that was bothering me. I'm just going to talk about it very quickly, is abundance. I want to explain something with abundance. Abundance is already there. The money is already there. Everything is already there. So the reason why people are getting it and some people are not is actually just the frame of mind or the way you are going to let the money flow. Money is also an energy. It is also created at a certain times. You just need to open it up and make sure that you are okay to let it in at the right times, doing the right things, linked with your purpose and stuff like that. If you do that, money will always be coming in. So that is something that you need to just think about today. And that's why I want you guys to do that wishing board coming up in the weekend. You can do it today, maybe just let it sit 1 day or 2 days or something like that, or do it this weekend when you are a little bit more relaxed and when you can really think about it. Put that wishing board and be very honest with yourself. We're talking about Leo here. Leo is the self, it's the sun. So it's linked with the moi. In French we say the moi, you know, but the self. And you need to be very honest. Leo, they don't like lies. They don't like things that are not going to be straightforward and very clear and very honest. You need to say, this is what I want. If you want some money coming in all the time, if you want to have your house paid off, if you want to be able to travel the world, if you want to be able to help others, if you want to be able to, whatever your dreams are and whatever you think that will make you extremely happy, that suddenly you will be like, I'm having the life that I want. And some people it's going to be making 5,000 a month. Some people it's going to be making 500k a month. It doesn't matter whatever is going to make you feel comfortable, because again, abundance or money is a limiting thing with your mind. It's not in reality, because in reality there is all that money. It already exists. It's already there, all that abundance. So I want you to do those wishing boards. And I want you to be very honest. And then you put them somewhere where you can see them. I want you to be able to see them when you put your makeup in the morning, when you are in your office where you work. You don't put it in your garage, you just put them, because you need to be visualizing it. People like Bronson or Tony Robbins or Oprah are extremely spiritual people, right? They do not start a day without visualizing their life, what they want to achieve. That's how they start their day. And also they know the goals that they want to achieve. So it is crucial that you have a vision or where you want to go and what you want to do and who you want to help and whatever you want to be doing, but you need to be clear. And yes, sometimes you're going to think, okay, but I don't really want to help anyone for the moment. First I want to help myself, and this is fine, because absolutely right, you need first to have that mask of oxygen onto your face to be able to breathe, to have your debts paid if you want to do a good job. How are you going to be looking after others, giving them prosperity, abundance, love, caring and all that if you don't have it yourself? It's just not possible. I know that if I'm really, really stressed or if I've got issues about something, I'm not going to be as good, let's be honest, because I'm going to be in a frame of mind where I'm worried about something, or, you know, and then I cannot give everything that I would like to give to someone else. So you need to first solve your own problems. You need to make sure that you are feeling secure, or that you are feeling safe, secure, able to be able to look after others. So I want you to be able to have that. And that is why I've been saying I will take 10 people. I will only start with 10. After I will take more, but these people are going to be, again, like I've done the readings at the beginning, showing that it was working and getting all these testimonials. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to get only 10 people, because I want you guys to be able to see that it is working. I don't want to be saying something and then you don't get the results. I want those 10 people and I want to change their lives. And I want those people after that saying onto the group, yes, it has worked. Yes, we've got that money coming in. Yes, we've got all these things. And yes, it is working. I want the results. I don't want to be talking and saying blah, 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 things like that and nothing behind. It's not part of my temperament. I want results, and I want people to be able to talk about it, because it's always a better publicity when it's others talking about it. If I have 96% of my work is by referrals, I hardly do any publicity. You're going to see me sometimes doing a special, and that's about it. That's all. Otherwise, I always get, as soon as I finish one reading, I've got 2 or 3 coming up from the reading I just did, or whatever has been done, because I believe in that. I believe that is the best publicity, is when you actually have the results with your people, instead of just talking and, you know, pretending that you can do something, but in fact you're not. You know, it's better when it is real. Sorry about that. When it is real, and when you actually are getting things done in a proper way, or that your clients are happy, because they will always be your best publicity. Word of mouth is the best you can get. So that's it, everyone. Celebrate tonight. Have a really good time. This weekend, go out with your friends. I'm going out with my besties. We don't know where yet, but we know we're going. And tonight I'm going to be celebrating with my kids, because I've got a big appointment for their education tonight. Thank God that meeting is for tonight, with the choice of their career and grade 10 and all that. And then after that I'm going to take them out to have a nice little dinner, because I know they deserve it as well. They've been working really, really hard. And so if you've been working really, really hard, and you know, you kept on going, you kept on pushing, even though there were the retrogrades, and even if you didn't, even if it was too much and it was all overwhelming, overwhelming. I want you to celebrate tonight. It is a new moon, and I want you to say, you know what, I made it. It's over, at least, it's done. Now it's stopped. All those big stars and big retrogrades are done. Jupiter, the last one, is going to be moving next week. It's going to be well, at the end of next week, it's going to be moving forwards on the 11th, and then we will be done. And I promise it's going to be the best time of 2019. You're finally going to see what we're talking about with 2019. You need to ground yourself. Remember, we are in the pig, the last star sign of the wheel. We are in earth, the element that can carry everyone. You want to ground yourself. If you are fire, you are the one that is in the earth. If you are metal, she's giving you the energy. If you are water, you can start growing. If you are wood, you can start anchoring yourself in it, and all those elements. I mean, Mother Earth is the one that is the strongest and can carry. This is massive. Why it's massive? Because a lot of changes are going to happen next year. We are starting a new cycle with a new frequency, new ways of making money, and this is why I wanted to be ready for that year coming up, and that's why I want to look after you guys, because yes, the system is going to be changing, and a lot of things, you can already see it with a lot of things with the banks, you know, the ATM fees that were over, the Bitcoins coming out, a lot of different things. It is a new era. We are starting to function in a different way, and I just want to be able to look after my clients and make sure that people are going to be able to keep on going, making a lot of money, even if things around them are changing, and even if there is less possibilities of having a pension later on when you get older, or all these kind of things. I'm talking about big money. I'm not talking about just, you know, surviving. I'm talking about helping people to end their lives well. And again, it can go from young people to old people. It doesn't matter. But I just want to make sure that you guys are safe and that you've got some money flowing in all the time. And that's what I'm going to be focusing on. And then the rest will be on one-to-many, making sure that I can do bigger groups. But I will still answer to those questions on Thursday nights. And I will also, in between, if there are some emergency or things like that, I will keep on doing some readings if really it is needed. But it's not going to be the way I'm going to be working in general. So if you really want to just have a normal reading, make sure you've got it this year, because things are going to be changing next year. I already know that. So just make sure you get them done this year. I've got some reading books up, I think now until November already, but doesn't matter. There's still some room. There's still some room in November, in December, and in between, some cancellations and things like that. And remember, if there is an emergency, just say it. Just say, Muriel, I need to see you because there is an important matter. I need to make a decision. I will always go with emergencies. Anything that is really important, surgeries, domestic violence, decisions that need to be made straight up and stuff like that, or people really, really struggling, I always find the time to squeeze you in because I know how important it is. And again, it is part of my purpose and being at service and helping people. So that's who I am, and that is not going to change. Okay, I wish you an awesome night tonight. Please celebrate, have a great time, and if it's not tonight because you can't, then it's tomorrow night. Take your loved ones out and have a fantastic romantic night, or go out this weekend. You need to do it. It's important, and it's going to lift your vibration, making sure that you are ready for that high vibration. Do meditation, put yourself into the light, see yourself into a big ball of light. The dome is not good enough for what we are going to be seeing. So when you do your meditation, you imagine yourself all around with a big ball of light, and making sure you are up there with the highest frequency. Listen to a good music. I did put one the other day, but doesn't matter either way. It's good. If you need to sort some problems out with your inner child, do it. There was another meditation that Linda Ho did the other night, just to be at peace with who you are and what you want to do and how you want to help people, or your purpose, how you want to help the loved ones that are around you, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Just be in sync with yourselves and be ready on that high frequency, because after this ball of fire and of light is going to have to go rolling for August, September and October. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Ciao. Bye everyone.